Hello everyone and welcome to the episode 1 of Stone Shard gameplay wherein I am playing Derwin, the Woodward, and I'm trying to build. I'm not still sure if I'm going for the dagger build because I have 2 points already, or the range build have equal points already. But sadly this video is supposed to be an episode 2, but I just made a mistake. I thought I was recording episode 1. I'm talking for 1 hour bullshit, but it's gone. Anyway, let's try to clear this game. It's been my 10 plus runs on this permadeath mode. That's right, guys. We are playing permadeath, wherein if your character dies, all your save games is gone. You can reload them again, so you have to start all over again. So for this run, I'm basically done with the gang leader. I'm just waiting to claim the reward, and I haven't slept for this day, so let's just check on let's just go and sleep first before doing something. Maybe I'll forget to do that later on. Okay, so um a little recap on this run. I have already finished 3 contracts. First is the plane, where you can get on the Drunken Woodsman Inn. The next one is Freed the Herbalist, which you can get on the Osbrook, and also the Lost Key, which I got from the mill. So now we'll just try to prepare for the next event that will go, or the next contract that will finish. About my contract, yeah, I'm done. Just give me the money, old man. But this guy is a good old man. Okay, so now we are going to the so now our goal is to clear out the Oaken Barrel Brewery, but before we do that, we need to gather some supplies. So I still have 25 bows. I think that's enough for that mission. So I'll just cook some food. Maybe we can get something. There's there's just basically not enough food right here. I think we can buy this the root salad for +8 immunity, and then eat it while we are heading away. I think we have pretty much prepared for this contract. Let's try to clear out the brewery. What I love about this game is it's very realistic. It has all those aspects of attack of opportunity, the knockback, like in real life. Sometimes you miss depending on your build, which everything is like scaling little bit by little bit. And it's also kind of realistic for me because it also adds the effect of the wild monsters, the forest where they are living. So I really like this game. It's kind of realistic, and especially when night time is up. Oh my god! When nighttime is up, more enemies appear on nighttime, and your vision gets very cloudy. It's very hard to move. And also, there's some rain. As you see this, there's some effect. It's just very kind of realistic, and especially this is still on the beta release. Actually, this is my 10th 10 plus games of permadeath mode. So my highest level was level 7 with the Jonah, and I died a pitiful death right there. But this one, let's try to. Oh my god. Okay, it's kinda hard fight for me. I'm really nervous because we might die any moment. If that guy crits and you got some um days thing, you might die there. Very hard to. Oh, we are here now. We'll try to clear this one. So this is what I like about Derwin. Since he has an option to go for the range, you can just hit and run. You can just hit and run these guys. Yep, hit and run. And this is a little abuse on my part. Just go there. And when you go back, they are still there on that part of the map. So you just go up and try to clear them out upstairs. Yep, like this one is very easy game. Will he die? Yep, died. I'm doing this because it is very hard to fight them hand on because up at my level I'm just level 3. But when you inspect them, they are already on a medium danger. They have skills. They're basically you, but four of them. So it's very hard to clear it head on. So you need to use underhanded tactics to clear out the barrel or the brewery. Yep. And we out again. You my boy. This is me after 10 deaths in the game. You think you're good, huh? You think you're good? No, you're not good. Oh my god. I'm just afraid the arrows won't be able to make it. We just repeat the process and eventually we'll be able to clear out. No, no, no. Let's hit the old one. Kinda low, I think. Yep, you're gonna die, oldie. I told you, oldie, you're gonna die. Bye bye. Let's go down again. Let's go, let's go. Marlo. Basically a hit and run build. That's kinda tough, guy. You're just doing 6 damage. How are you gonna kill that? You just don't. You just hit and run. And then you exploit the game. Come here, baby. Gonna kill you. Hehehe. Hehe. I only have 5 arrows. I really need to get arrows. Yep. Okay, that is a miss. Good. Good job. Good job. I'll try to get the arrow here. Oops. Yep. Ah, that's so bad. I just don't want to risk it. I tried to do that on my previous run, level 3 or level 4. I still died 2v1. It's very hard to just do it and all over again. It's very tiring. So I'll just play it more careful. Maybe. Ah. Oh, I don't have any more arrows. I'll try to lure them out. To lure them here. Then fight them after I get the arrow. Ha ha ha. Where's my arrow? Where's my arrow? Oh my god, stuck on their body. What are you doing? Arrows are stuck on their body. Oh, what happened? I think it reset. So I only have two guys to deal with. Actually, I think I can kill both of them, but I don't want to risk it. Let's just go home. No more risking it. Actually, let's try to get some things. Let's eat first. Right there. I'll just get more arrows and finish the quest. So now we are heading back to the Osbrook to just empty out my inventory again, and or maybe I'll just go to the mill because I don't have food on Osbrook. So my previous run, the one that I haven't recorded, I have this mill right here. I have left some food on the mill, so we're going to the mill to eat and then store some things and then head out again. I'm saving this fodder because it is It will be useful for the caravan travels once you hit level 4 and finish the quest on Beren. Yep, let's go to the meal. I think we want to sell some bandages. There's a lot of bandages. Yep, still here. Let's go for the dataler soup. Store it here and do we try to create more things? What are you selling? We'll try to rest because fatigue levels are getting high. We want to prepare for our next flight. Sleep for some 6 hours. Think that's good to go. Fatigue is gone. We head out again. Evening now, but no problem. We'll try to sell these things on the trader on the Osbrook. Oh, this is hard. I don't have any arrow. I just hope I won't be able to meet some enemies. Yep, I don't think we hit some enemies. Lentil. We want to sell our things now, but it's evening day. It's evening here, and I want to buy arrows. Fortunately, to rest again. Maybe it will have food right here. Yep. What can we do to the food? I think I would want some mushroom to increase my immunity. Go out and rest a bit. By morning, we will go to go and clear the brewery. Save things here. What are the things I don't need here? Hmm. Need all of these things. Uh, ah, Still so early in the morning. They are still not up. You. I want to buy Fever. That's so expensive. 81 gold. What? One more, one more. I need one more. Hey bro, why did you lie to Dwar? Okay, now we just sell some things. Actually, I wanna sell these bandages. I have a lot of Burdock. Ooh, we have some antidote syringe. We buy it. Next is we wanna sell our bags. Yep, I also wanna sell that. We don't want to sell the battle cleaver. Yep, and we are good to go. We want to clear brewery when the brewery now. And also we are close to reaching level 4. Maybe after this we might be able to clear level 4. Hmm. In this run, it's just a little bit unfortunate that I'm not getting some encounters with two two bandits on the road. So it gives me a lot of XP. It's so good, but this game, yep, will kill this one. Get back to full 8. So again, we'll do the hit and run. We lure them on the left side and go to the bottom side or the up side and then hit it. Yep. Oh, sweet. Homemade sword. Chimp. Don't do that, chimp. And there you go. We got it. So we'll try to collect some things here before going back. Yep, hit, hit, tab. I like it too. Check some chest. Ooh, this is a lot of I like it. This is a lot of I like it. Maybe I'll just go back here to get it. Yeah, I'll just go back to get some things here. So those things will be useful when you are on a caravan. This spot is useful when you are on a caravan. So I just want to get the reward from the elder and we'll continue from there. Also we have this I think we have one more cleaver that I left on the outskirts on the lost episode. So we'll just go there to get it. I'm here. Let's go sell our things. Need to free up my inventory. What else? I think this one too. This one's enough. Yep. What can I buy? Do you want that? Like that? Go sell things here for some little bit of cash and also buy some bandage. Okay, we're done here. We also want to store these things. The pot is very important. The ropes are important. And what else? I think that's enough. Go and check the elder for our reward. Okay, so I also get one contract. So now our goal is to get some supplies, finish the quest. I'll go from the bandits den and go back here to just free up my inventory and finish the quest already. And also, I want this. Finish your task. Okay, that's it. It has an identified. Buy some identification scroll. Use it here and a good thing. Okay. We also need to repair our things. Let's just repair our things. Okay, let's go to the tailor to repair our things. Do some supplies. Try to get new outfits. Let's try to get some. What can we get to? Do we want to upgrade to a leather vambrace? I think we want to, right? Yep, definitely. Tell them. What else? Hide boots. I think this hide boot last. Yep, we buy the hide boots again. Sell this. Also, fumble chance. I think I'll just buy it. Have a lot of money anyway. So now our character is super strong. We want to go to the Pilgrim's Rest, but I want to clear out the bandits den again for the extra space. It's just so hard to get this done. I'm hungry now. Problem. Saw some lentil there. Forget the lentil. This is just a little bit of a boring episode where you just run back and forth to clear things out. It's kind of a bit boring, but just have to do it anyway. I won't stop until I finish this game on a permadeath mode. There's just no food here. You know what, guys? Maybe this is it for this gameplay. Because I'll just be spending some 10 minutes running around back and forth, and I'm sure you don't want to see that. I'll just end the episode here, and next episode I will probably finish this Jebbar Smith because I already have two, and the other one is on the Bandit. I'll just get it and then go back to the Osbrook. And once we are on Osbrook, I'll resume the episode, or maybe I'll resume the episode on the Pilgrim's Rest. We'll try to fast forward things a bit so you won't be a bit bored. So that's it, and shut up. to, to my beautiful wife, and see you again on the next episode, and bye bye.